I think ecom websites have to start with understanding the psychology of humans, and humans typically want to hear from other people. So what does that mean? It means you, as the content creator for your website, want to compare your product to other products and start to develop reviews. It could be leveraging influencers, it could be doing it yourself. You can take a lot of inspiration from websites like Wirecutter, where they will actually analyze a handful of different products. You can do the same thing even in B2B. Sure, your product might have a higher price point, but if you can compare and analyze your product versus someone else's, that's content that your audience is going to be interested in, and there's very likely a high level of demand and search intent happening on Google every single day of people looking to compare product A versus product B. So if you can create the content that it shows up when they type in that search query, and you can create content that ultimately aligns and tells the story that your product is better than the competitors, that's a win-win.